How to delete your Netflix account. Now, if you want to delete your Netflix account, you just simply need to open your Netflix app, and once you do that, you are gonna see this option of My Netflix from the bottom right corner. Tap into that, and then you need to select your profile name from the top left corner. And once you tap in there, you are gonna see this button of account. Tap to account button, and once you tap to the account, you are gonna be in the account section of Netflix. From here, you just simply need to scroll down to all the way to bottom, and you are gonna see this option of delete account directly. You need to tap to delete account button, and once you tap to delete account, tap to email a code and it will send an email in your mailbox. Just simply check the code and submit it to Netflix. Then after that, you can confirm that you want to delete your account and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can very easily delete your account in Netflix. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.